Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use QuickBooks for accounting, complete guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and select Create New Company. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your company file. Enter your business name, address, and contact information. Choose the type of industry your business falls under. Select your preferred accounting method, either cash or accrual. Set your fiscal year start date and proceed to the next step. Customize your chart of accounts by choosing the default accounts provided. Add any additional accounts that are relevant to your business needs. Click on Save and Finish to finalize your company setup. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. To record income, select the plus New button and choose Sales Receipt. Fill in the customer details, including name, date, and item. Input the payment method and total amount received. Save the sales receipt to update your records. To record expenses, click the plus New button and select Expense. Choose the vendor, expense account, and payment method. Enter the amount and any necessary details. Save the expense entry to keep track of your spending. For invoicing, go to Customers and select Create Invoices. Choose the customer from the drop-down menu. Add the products or services sold, adjusting quantities as needed. Set the invoice date and payment terms before saving. To track payments, return to the Customers section. Select Receive Payment and choose the relevant invoice. Enter the payment information and click Save and Close. To generate financial reports, navigate to the Reports section. Select from options such as Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, or Cash Flow. Customize the date range and filters to view specific data. Run the report to analyze your business's financial performance. Utilize the apps feature to integrate useful add-ons like payment processors. Regularly back up your company file to ensure data security. Review your accounting data monthly to maintain accurate records. Explore QuickBooks support resources for any additional questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.